Hello everyone, this is Edwin from Sanchinelli's Painting, and we are actually working on a new project today, which includes removing popcorn texture from the ceiling. As you can see, the ceiling is a little damaged, quite a few, and we have quite a few things to do. As you can see right there, pointing with my finger, got all that crack right there. We're gonna have to fix that. And as you see on this side as well, we have mold over there. All this section we gotta replace. We'll be basically replacing this whole part right here. So just a detailed video on how the ceiling is texture. So we're gonna be basically removing all the popcorn. So remove popcorn and put new sheetrock sheets, finishing as well, and paint. So and this is just the ceiling. We're not doing walls, as you can see. Everything is covered accordingly. So we're only doing the ceiling today. Let me give you a quick rundown of what else there is. This is the ceiling. See there? This different type of house here. So all of this is popcorn. So all of this is going to be basically replaced. Lights. Drop all the texture. Alright, we're going to be doing basically the kitchen, the living room, and the hallways, bedrooms, bathrooms. Cover everything. Okay. More time this way. I'll show you the dimension in this section. What you guys can see. You see all of that right there. All of this is going to be replaced, basically, and remove the popcorn as well. So, like I said, that's sheetrock. We're gonna have to move, and you guys are gonna see the before and after of the new texture once it falls and it's replaced. As you can see. All right, my friends, there it is. This is basically what we will be working with. Ooh, sorry, right there. Look at that line. Okay. There's there already. A little deeper in here. See all of that texture. Thank you once again for watching this video, and you'll see the next step on the next sections. We'll give you more details. Thank you.